So, ayan guys. Meron tayong nahuling karpa. Nahuling karpa. Buhi po siya guys, oh. Nanglangoy mi sa agusan, andi nasugatan namin to, charot. Saan laki niya? Ang laki guys, oh. Binili natin yan ng 600 petot. Ilang kilo to, be? Ha? 6 ka kilo? So, according to my nephew, this is 6 ka kilo, you know. So, it's still alive and big, we touch it. Heavy. I wanna weigh this. Oh, so big. It's too heavy. Ayan. Alive fascia. This is carpa. The giant carpa. So, malaki yung water sa agusan, guys. So, the fisherman catch this fish from the Agusan River. Ang lalaki ng himbis niya, oh. Himbis? Himbis talaga! Ayan! Hello! Hi! Okay, bye!